Hi everyone, welcome to ASEC Lab at Ohio University. Today we will want to explore the difference between correlation and simple regression using practical examples. Let's get into it. So we have two research questions. The first for correlation: what is the relationship between study hours and exam scores? That of regression says, to what extent can study hours predict exam scores? So in both cases, we have two variables, study hours and exam scores, with a sample size of 30. This is how our data looks like, study hours and exam scores with a sample size of 30. The results for the correlation. The research question was, what is the relationship between study hours and exam scores? So we have our results highlighted in red. So the entire model is statistically significant with our p-value being 0.009. That tells us that there is a statistically significant relationship between the two variables, study hours and exam scores. We also have the Pearson correlation coefficient R, that is 0.466. That tells us that there is a moderate positive relationship between study hours and exam scores. Thus, as study hours increases, exam scores also increases. We have the results for the regression that talks about prediction. This goes a step further. The research question was, to what extent can study hours predict exam scores? So we have the coefficients table. The entire model was statistically significant. We can see the p-value highlighted in red, that is 0.009. And we also have the unstandardized B, that is 0.557. And what does this mean? This tells us that for every additional hour of study, exam score increases by 0.557. And we also have the R-square, that is 0.217. And this tells us that study hours explains 21.7% of the variance in exam scores. So all in all, correlation talks about the relationship that exists between two variables, while regression looks at the issue of prediction. For further consultation, you can book an appointment with ASEC Lab. We have professional GAs who are ready and willing to support you with whatever data analysis you are conducting. Thank you.